Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to record incoming calls on Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your Play Store. As we all know that there are several applications to just record your incoming calls on Android phone, but recently it has become a bit hassle for us as none of the application works. So all we need to do is just swipe down the layout right here, and there you'll able to see the screen recorder option in here. And if you can't see it, you can just get it from the settings option. And once you do it, once you avail it, then whenever a call is arrived in your phone, once you pick up the call, make sure you turn on the screen recorder and just change it to media and mic, or just yeah, and then click on start recording. And throughout the call, the phone's recorder will just record the whole call, whole conversation. And yeah, this is how you can just record your incoming calls on Android phone. I hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.